we just got a package from Stunt Daily. So we are going to unbox this and see what we got. First off, look at this nice wrapping and packaging. I love this. This is so festive and that's great. Let's get this. Oh, and that's easy. That's nice and easy to open. Definitely don't need a knife. Careful with the stuff. Alright, what did we get? Alright. Oh, love this. Love this. This was my favorite. As soon as it came up on the website, I had to get it. We will put that right there. Alright. Coming back in here. Oh, he gave me some extra stuff. I love this. As soon as you order anything, he always loves to throw in like accessories, little stuff. Like this is high quality stuff. I have literally like I think 4 of these. I love these. Has every design that's ever been a part of Stunt Daily, and well, pretty close. And it's just my favorite. I love that. That is awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate that. And looks like one of the last things, which is fine because we only ordered one. We only ordered that shirt, so to even throw this in is just like extra super nice. This looks, let's see what this is. It's obviously like their badge. I love that. This is a little Velcro patch. That is sick. That is sick. I have to Velcro this somewhere. That is dope. Thank you guys. Thank you, seriously. Thank you, Stunt Daily. Always fucking reaching above and beyond for their customers. Always like, if you order one thing, they'll throw in extra stuff. Like, that's what's up. Thank you guys, seriously. I appreciate it. I love this stuff. Like, my Stunt Daily is by far my favorite company, and anything I wear is Stunt Daily. So I really appreciate it, you guys. If you guys wanted to see more, there was another unboxing earlier, like I think a month ago, and it came with a lot of the new stuff, so you guys can go check that out right now. Otherwise, from today's lot, just gonna give you a heads up. You saw the crash. I posted that first, and it was a wicked tailbone smasher. So the session today wasn't very long, but we did go out, and a whole bunch of people are like laughing and like, you know, asking what happened. So so the full video will be up very soon, so keep watching. And if you guys have watched this and keep watching, thank you guys. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever. Thank you guys, and till next time, stay safe.